Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 16th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from BioHarvest Sciences. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. BioHarvest Sciences is a fascinating company, especially with its innovative botanical synthesis platform technology. I'm excited to discuss their recent financial performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. BioHarvest Sciences reported revenues of $7.86 million for the first quarter of 2025, a significant increase from $5.34 million in the same period last year. John, what can you tell us about their profitability?
Absolutely. The company achieved a gross profit of $4.595 million, up from $3.03 million last year. Despite this improvement, they still reported a net loss of $2.338 million. However, it's worth noting that their EPS of -13 cents slightly beat the forecast of $4, which was based on a survey of one analyst.
That's interesting. It seems like they're making strides in revenue growth, but still facing challenges in achieving profitability.
Indeed, the increase in revenue is promising, but they need to manage their operating expenses better to move towards profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about their operational efficiencies. BioHarvest's operating expenses were $6.314 million. How are they allocating these resources?
Well, a significant portion of their expenses, $3.681 million, went into sales and marketing, which is crucial for expanding their market presence. They also invested $1.245 million in research and development, which is essential for innovation, especially in their nutraceuticals and CDMO services.
And what about their future outlook?
BioHarvest is focusing on expanding their nutraceuticals and CDMO services. These areas have high growth potential, and their unique botanical synthesis platform technology gives them a competitive edge.
Financial position and going concern. Let's shift to their financial position. BioHarvest reported total assets of $26.591 million and liabilities of $27.467 million, resulting in a shareholders' deficit of $876,000. What does this mean for their going concern status?
These figures indicate a challenging financial position. The company has incurred losses since inception and has a substantial accumulated deficit. There's a substantial doubt about their ability to continue as a going concern, which means they need to secure additional funding to sustain operations.
That's concerning. How are they planning to address this?
Management plans to rely on capital raising, debt instruments, and future revenues to fund their activities. It's a critical period for them to stabilize their financial health.
CEO and management insights. John, what insights can you share from the company's leadership, particularly from CEO Ilan Sobel?
CEO Ilan Sobel and the management team are focused on fundraising and driving revenue growth. They're committed to expanding their product lines and leveraging their technology for innovation. The leadership is optimistic about their strategic initiatives despite the current financial challenges.
It's good to see a proactive approach from the leadership. Hopefully, their strategies will pay off in the long run.
Indeed, their commitment to innovation and strategic growth is crucial for overcoming the current hurdles.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, BioHarvest Sciences has shown promising revenue growth, but they face significant financial challenges. Their EPS of -13 cents slightly beat expectations, but the net loss and going concern issues remain critical. John, any final thoughts?
BioHarvest is at a pivotal point. Their innovative technology and strategic focus on nutraceuticals and CDMO services are promising, but they need to address their financial stability to ensure long-term success.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on BioHarvest performance in the comments below.